Got this jet ski, and we're trying to get the trailer. It's kind of rotten here, so I'm welding these lawnmower blades on here. I got it from both Joes here, Junior and Senior. I drove from McKinney to Midlothian, and it's a little rotten, but I think we're gonna get it so I can get it back to McKinney. Got it welded right there. Got like one more spot over here.
Lawnmower blades saved the day.
Exactly, lawnmower blades. What are you doing, sweetie? You good kitty. Yeah. Yeah.
Somebody moved out and
just left him here? Yeah, I like cats. You're a good boy, aren't you? Hey. He says, you're getting my fur all sweaty. A little bit, not too much.
Turn this up a little bit.
You might need it, it might help, yeah.
Here's your socket.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it doesn't make a lot of sense.
Yeah. Not bad, right there.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Right there. Still moves quite a bit, doesn't it? Yeah. I can put some straps around it too, like you're saying.
Yeah.
Like around here and
Yeah,
around there.
absolutely.
I come out and I'll do that.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've got two pretty good straps. I bet that'll work. Oh, yeah, one there.
Yeah.
All right. Let me go get those straps. I got two straps, so they put one around here, maybe there, and over here. You know? I'm gonna get those straps.
Okay. You want to push it up there?
Yeah, let me get those straps on it first.
Okay.
Sweat everywhere I go.
That's as good as it's going to get, really.
Let me get those straps. I think those straps will help. Put them
I
around
would definitely
here.
not do more than 60. I would do less than 60.
Especially if this thing comes loose and like then it hits a car or something. I'll be up shit creek if that happens.
Yeah.
I better just keep going if that happens.
Yeah. That's
If I could. Like if it breaks off like right here.
Not much you do. I mean.
If it just keep going. Let me go get the straps I'll put around there. Don't break it off, man.
No, I mean it's gonna go through stress.
It's gonna go a lot of stress,
Yeah.
isn't it? Not the biggest strap. Not the biggest strap, is it? Nope. That's some ramps that got stolen out of my driveway. These were on the ramps. I took these off. I thought I better put those ramps up and look at when they get stolen. And they got stolen. Like, you know, car ramps.
Yeah.
Or like, put like, you know, like a lawnmower up into a,
I got you.
up into a trailer,
Yeah.
yeah. But my wife got them for me a while, years back. Got a bungee cord. We'll get a couple bungee cords I got.
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna go get some bungee cords. Keep looking in my rearview mirror.
You might look up and it's gone.
Yeah, I know. I've done that before.
Oh man.
I've had my motorcycle. And I was like, where the hell did it go? And it's fallen over in the trailer when I first got it. Yep.
Hopefully you ain't got no problem. You just put it. Don't take it easy on her.
Yeah. I'll take it easy.
You have a pin for your receiver?
A what?
A pin?
Yeah, I do. Yeah,
Okay.
just make sure that that fit in there. It fit.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a pin. Yeah. Put this rope on there, I think. People be looking at this going, what the hell?
Yeah.
Probably be DOT certified.
I don't think so.
So,
Just don't hit too many bumps, right?
Yeah.
Then you end up with just this hanging on the back. Oh, God. This is probably stronger than the Weld, man. You know? The
Yeah.
rope. Who knows? You'd think it was in salt water for all that rust, you know?
Yeah, that's what gets me. I don't know.
Over there now. Looks like the weaker side right here. Care. Main thing I want is just the trailer,
Yeah.
you know, 'cause my,
You can honestly probably sell that because I had people. If you have
Yeah.
somewhere to part it out, the people are wanting parts for it. But
yeah. Oh, this?
yeah,
Yeah. You think that'll ride on there without flying off?
the JETSKI will.
Yeah, that's what I thought,
Yeah.
because it's got that. Where is it? Fucking wasp right there.
Yeah.
I was like, am I messing with a yellow jacket nest? I got stung by like 4 of those in my shed one time. All on the back of my neck.
Oh man.
Hell yeah. What? Yeah.
He's coming for you.
He is. Is there a freaking nest up in there?
He ain't been here long.
Yeah. What do you think?
If it breaks off, it ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. I mean, I think that would keep it on there.
Yeah.
So I get time to really fix it.
Yeah.
Or get someone to fix it. Get someone to know that knows how to weld.
Yeah.
You know.
You can lift it for sure.
Yeah. So I guess I better put this in the back of the trailer. Or the back
It'll go.
no, I don't want it to like blow away.
No, it won't. Here.
No, I'm gonna put it in the Suburban.
Sure. I mean, if it'll last, it'll last for a while.
Does it?
Yeah.
Whatever. Okay. Well, I got to do that. What is that? Okay. He gave me something over here. He said this is part of the back end of it. This thing.
Yep.
Yeah. So, alright, cool. I said the main thing I want is this. Trailers.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Cool. Totally appreciate it.
Yeah.
You got to register the trailer too? Most trailers you do.
You can register if you tack weld a trailer in Texas, it's automatically home built.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
yeah.
Trailers are cheap.
You can register this as a home built, but this is a GTX, this is a GTX. It's only a 2-year difference.
That's
This
like
is
a 93.
93. These are 95s.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Those are great shape, man.
Yeah.
I started out with just doing go-karts. Is how I started out, kind of like that.
Yeah. That's what I learned on.
Yeah.
Briggs and Stratton. That was what.
I was telling him I watched those guys on Cars and Cameras, like Isaac, Ike, and John. You ever watch those guys?
On YouTube?
On YouTube, yeah. They just do go-karts. But they bought a jet ski not too long ago.
Are you talking about the one with the Barbie car?
No. They got almost 1 million subscribers.
Oh, I've been following the Barbie car.
Barbie car? No, I
with
hadn't
a
heard of that.
450 Honda. He got a 450 Honda in it.
No, they used to do like go-karts and stuff, but they just got a jet ski recently, and I thought, hell, I'm gonna get me a jet ski too, you know?
Yeah.
And here we go.
If you have a private lake, that's perfect. If
The guy next
Oh
door
my
to my
God.
dad's got one, but
Yeah.
there's like freaking snakes out there, but I guess they'll run from this if they see it.
Yeah.
You know?
And it was all there. We just we used a steering cable, we used a steering cable, and that's pretty much it.
That's really it.
That's the only thing.
I could probably. I've got cables in my for bicycles that might work, but who knows?
eBay.
eBay. Okay.
eBay, you can get everything you use for those. Cheap.
Yeah. Yeah, eBay's good for parts. I've gotten a lot of stuff from eBay.
Yeah.
Hey, kitty. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah.
Somebody actually dropped those cats off, believe it or not.
Yeah. Hey. How you doing, sweetie? You good kitty. Yeah. Yeah.
Somebody moved out and
Just left him here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like cats. You're a good boy, aren't you? Hey. He says, you're getting my fur all sweaty. A little bit, not too much.
He likes that.
Yeah. I got a cat. A couple dogs. I prefer the cats, though.
Yeah.
Because we got one dog that tears up the backyard. And then one stays in the house, but that one's pretty laid back. The one that stays in the house.
Yeah.
She doesn't tear up anything. Yeah. You gonna rub up against something? You're a good boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. They kind of just claimed us after they left.
Yeah? Cute. How many? There's 2 of them I've seen.
There's 3.
3 of them?
That they left, yeah.
Yeah. He says, don't stop petting, man. Yeah. We're actually going camping tomorrow. I haven't been camping in like 2 or 3 years.
Oh,
And
wow.
my wife went with her friend a couple weeks ago, and I think she thought I got my feelings hurt because I didn't go with them. It was just her and her friends.
Mm-hmm.
And so she said, well, you want to go camping this weekend? I said, I guess. I said, hell, I work out in the heat every day. You know, this new job I've been doing. But I said, if it's not too hot, I said, I guess.
What's your YouTube channel?
Just it's my name, Ross Templeton. ROSS in Templeton.
Okay.
Yeah, gotcha. There's the jet ski.
JETSKI's clean, waxed, and good conversation.
Yeah. Between,
Okay.
yeah, it's all right. It's my first jet ski. Here you go. Well, this thing doesn't have any trailer much, does it? Or does it?
Not that, I mean.
Probably not.
No.
I mean, I'll plug it in. You never know. Sometimes you get lucky.
No, I wouldn't do that. No, it's probably just going to play
The girl, naked up there. Shit. I think it my ass going, man.
Yeah, almost subscribed though.
That's cool. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Well, I figured it'd be a little bit,
Yeah.
but then I forgot that angle iron. I was like, I won't need it.
Yeah. And sure enough.
Sure enough, I did need it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be buying one of them myself up there.
Oh shit! Yeah, 115 bucks. That's a cool thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy one too, because this one's doing the same thing.
Cool. Getting close. I just can't be too rough. All right, folks. Making sure this thing. All right. Getting attacked by dogs. All right, I think we're good. Whew. Gotta get it home and get it all repaired. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm gonna use the AC going back.